I recently bought an RV and plan to take a spontaneous road trip with my family, but I'm really struggling to choose an energy storage battery that can ensure stable power for the trip while also handling high-power daily devices. Any suggestions?
Perfect timing! WattCycle just launched its new product, the 24V 314Ah Bluetooth-enabled battery. Whether it's for RVs, solar power, off-grid setups, or home energy storage, this battery handles it all effortlessly. Pairing with a high-power inverter is a breeze. Let's take a look at just how powerful it is. Is it worth the price? The packaging is built like a tank. It is very thick. When you open the box, you will find thick foam inside. During the perfect transportation process, there is no need to worry about any bumps. It is also equipped with instructions, screws, and insulating caps for the poles. And the accessories are very complete. Full metal UL94V0 fire-resistant ABS plus PC casing. Sturdy, safe and durable. The workmanship is really solid and the texture is abundant. Corrosion-resistant M8 terminals. Super strong load-bearing handle. With great security.
After seeing the packaging and exterior, I'm even more curious about its internal build. Let us take a look.
Lifting the cover reveals a full epoxy insulation board. Underneath is WattCycle's custom metal bracket, rock-solid construction. It's packed with premium features, EV Grade A+ cells, a smart BMS, explosion-proof valves, bus bars, and temperature sensors. The layout is ultra-neat, with clean wiring and robust protection. Spacious design ensures excellent heat dissipation, making it flawless for long-term operation or bumpy transport. It measures 18.9 by 14.25 by 9.53 inches and weighs 153.99 pounds. Now let's test its voltage. It shows 27.59 volts and everything is normal. Your RV's Smart Power Butler, equipped with built-in Bluetooth monitoring. Through the WattCycle app, you can keep track of voltage, power level, temperature, and health status anytime, anywhere in the vehicle. Energy Warehouse, high voltage and large capacity. Power all your high-wattage RV devices effortlessly. 8.038 kilowatt-hour energy storage equivalent to 12-volt 314Ah Bluetooth batteries in series. Ultra reliable for long trips, extra long cycle life, over 6,000 cycles at 80% depth of discharge, outperforming standard Life Before batteries. No more frequent battery replacements. Super powerful output, sustained 300 amps discharge, easily powers RV air conditioners. The robust 300 amps BMS works seamlessly with high-power inverters. No stress at all. Top-tier safety, built-in 8-layer protection mechanisms, including overcurrent, short circuit, and thermal protection. No more anxiety about power usage. High expandability, supports up to 2 series or 4 parallel connections, with a maximum capacity of 64.31 kilowatt-hour. Upgrade your in-vehicle power configuration anytime later. Now let's get into something hardcore. Load testing. Connect the inverter, then plug in the hairdryer. Perfect match. Running 4 hairdryers at the same time? No problem, handled easily. WattCycle has always adhered to high quality, true capacity, no false labeling, and reasonable pricing.
So, what do you think of this 24V 314Ah Bluetooth model?
If you are looking for a stable, durable, high-capacity lithium battery with strong endurance, this one is definitely worth your attention. Would you like to know more about it? Please leave a message in the comment section to let me know. Next time, we will test its capacity authenticity. Stay tuned.